Welcome to the Avenir Spotlight series, where we tackle some of the biggest challenges enterprises face within contract management and showcase some innovative solutions to solve these problems. As a reminder, Avenir Contract Flow is an end-to-end contract lifecycle management solution built on the ServiceNow platform. And today we'll be discussing our Microsoft Word plugin, which supports the second box on your screen, collaboration, and negotiation processes. Just about every company uses Microsoft Word to negotiate contracts, so what's the problem? Well, the lack of connectivity with the tool. Once the contract enters the negotiation cycle, the process tends to go offline. Everything is managed manually within Word and email. The process sacrifices valuable opportunities to collect critical data and also doesn't benefit from any modern automation functionality.
With the Avenir Word add-in, reviewing a contract is as easy and fast as it ever gets, saving you time and allowing you to get more done. When you review a redlined contract, your most important goal is to quickly monitor the most important terms and clauses that's of most importance to you and find out whether any of those have been redlined. Now, you don't need to scroll through 50 pages to identify those terms and clauses. With the contract summary, you now get a single window view of the most important terms and clauses. And that's not it. You can easily navigate these terms and clauses in the document by just clicking on a term or a clause, and Avenir Word add-in automatically takes you to the location where that term or clause appears in the contract. For example, if I want to know whether my payment term has been redlined, simply clicking payment term takes me exactly to where it appears in the contract document. Likewise, if I go to the clauses tab, and if I want to know whether my termination clause has been changed, simply clicking termination clause here takes me to the exact location where the termination clause appears in the contract document. And I can see that nothing has been changed in the termination clause. All right, now that I have quickly reviewed the most important terms and clauses, it's time for me to take action on the red lines. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and check in this version so that I can store a version that I have received from the counterparty. So this version is now saved on the Avenir centralized cloud repository as a new contract version. With that done, I'm now going to look at the red lines. So the effective date has been changed from the 15th to the 25th. So I'm going to accept that change. I can also see that they have removed the auto renew condition. So I'm going to go ahead and accept that condition. And they would like a GDPR compliance clause. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a GDPR compliance clause. To do that, I'll click clause library, which is my centralized repository of all clauses. Select the GDPR confidentiality clause and hit insert. That brings the GDPR compliance clause right into the contract. With all of that done, I'm going to go ahead and reconcile the fields. And I can see the start date has a value of 25th in the document and 15th in the contract. So I'm going to select start date, hit reconcile. And that has updated the value of start date in the Avenir contract record. With that done, it's time to check in as yet another new version. This time, I'll do it as a major version. All right, so this is now saved as version 2.0, which is a new major version.
Thank you, Vikram, for the quick overview of Avenir Word plugin. And to summarize in short, the Word plugin is taking the tool that you're already using today, adding new enterprise control and purpose-built functionality to help you work more efficiently. So make sure you come by our website to check out our other videos in the Spotlight series, as well as the other valuable information and insights that we're sharing. If any of this seems interesting, please do reach out. We would love to hear from you. And until next time, thanks.